Hey gang, Sally here. Hope you're having an amazing and fascinating day. I know I am. Although this particular day we're going to be watching didn't turn out quite as well as I would have expected. Make sure you stay all the way through to the end to see how much damage I did to my RV. Yeah, there's that. We're starting off the day though in Buffalo, New York at the Theodore Roosevelt Inaugural National Historic Site. I think I've got that whole name right. It's very, very complicated. You can shoot a whole lot of video there, but a little bit. It's not going to be a super long video overall, but I did want to share it with you. Here's what happened. I got there, and in my whole lack of pre-planning stuff, which is my pretty much my modus operandi, um, I had thought I was going to park in their parking lot. That turned out not to be possible, and we'll show you that. And I didn't realize that I needed to make a reservation in order to be able to see the actual house itself. So what I got to see was an exhibit that they had set up, which was basically mimicking what it would have been like to be at the Pan American Exposition in 1901, which is when McKinley got shot, and that's how Theodore Roosevelt became president. So it was significant from that aspect, and the significance of the particular location of the house itself is that that's where he was sworn in. So it was still a pretty fun experience right up until the end of the day. Come on along. Thank you so much for being here. I truly appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. We're going to roll the intro and get right into it. I don't often park on downtown city streets, but today's an exception because today we're going to go check out the Theodore Roosevelt. Oh yeah, glad I didn't do that. I was thinking about going up there, but yep, that's super tight. I made a better choice. So we're going to go ahead and walk up the steps, I think. You can get to the parking lot from the back too, but I saw street parking and I thought, nah, let's just do that and make life easy. So we got a sculpture, we got a big building, got a church spire up over there, and a Walgreens right across the street. Strange juxtapositions, huh? Okay. Very cool looking building. This is the Ansley Wilcox House, where Theodore Roosevelt took the oath of office following the assassination of President William McKinley in 1901. This was in September when the Pan American Exposition was in process. There was quite the carnival atmosphere associated with the Pan American Exposition. And one of the posters reads, "Come one, come all. So glad you could join us. Buffalo's Pan American Exposition is the place to be in 1901. We call it the Rainbow City. And now that you're here, there's, oh, so much to see and do. Find out if you have what it takes to become a captain of industry. Take a turn at Mr. Edison's fabulous kinetoscope. Be amazed by the one, the only, trip to the moon. See the spectacular salute to a new century in the Esplanade area. Eat French fries, drink sarsaparilla, and stay to watch the grand illumination of the exposition at sunset under thousands of electric lights. Visit the Temple of Music and shake hands with President McKinley himself. This very day, he is here celebrating the Rainbow City just like you." So I've been looking for a place to let him out to go play. And we finally found this lovely park. Oh wait, no dogs allowed. This is a Harvest Toast location with 4 lovely sites. One that's not clearly identified anymore. It's Hidden Valley Animal Adventure, I think it's called. Anyway, I'm gonna walk up here, I'm gonna walk up here and get a salad for dinner and fulfill my harvest host requirement or recommendation, as well as dealing with the fact that I don't have any vegetables left. So this is an open top one. They take buses through. It's a 2.2 mile loop they've established. They also have a petting zoo area. They've got a fake eagle over there by the water. I think I just heard Kit barking. Might be. So, really nice looking pond here. When we first got here, there were probably, I don't know, 80 or 90 geese, I'm gonna guess. Yep, that's Kit. Oh well, he'll stop eventually. He sounds a little upset. And interestingly, they're very clear about not only no dogs, but no service animals either, which could be dogs or miniature horses. That's all they could be. Yeah, Hidden Valley Animal Adventure. So the high temp today is about 75. And we're gonna walk up here and order some food. Nice looking lodge. There's some of the animals up there. Zebras, kangaroo, peafowl, and pheasant. You can do a self-drive or you can do a safari bus tour. They've got a grill and a lot of grass. Okay, so we just walked in. We got bears. Don't touch the bears. I guess they do events up here. But the trailside grill is downstairs, so we're gonna go down. And Bessie's Creamery. Oh, and they got a little gift shop. Okay, very nice. Let's order some food. So when I was at Story Lake, I did this damage. And then today I came to this Harvest Host location where I managed to back into this, well, I didn't hit the post. I backed into the signs, ripped them both off the post when I was trying to leave. You know, if I had removed them from the post, I probably wouldn't have done all this damage. Yeah, I was like really stupid. Oh well, so here's the deal. I have completely jacked up my awning arm. So that's all gonna have to be replaced. I think the arm itself is about $400. But it's so jacked up. I mean, I hit it here, but look what else I did. Did all this scrape all the way along my body. That's all the way down to the fiberglass. This piece of trim ripped off, but it went right back in. So yeah, I'm having a day. Oh well, stuff happens. We'll deal with it.